Oh, hey there, Coach D, and we're ready to get in our second workout of a 4-part series for winter workouts, Build Summer Bodies. So I hope you're working out. If not, come on, join in. Let's go. Let's go. I want you to just march it out. We gotta get warm. Welcome to our 4-part series. We are on day 2. We're working with dumbbells. We're gonna hit every single part of our body. That's right. So we gotta warm it up. Good. So this is just some marching. Let's turn it into a nice light jog. Yeah. All right, now roll those shoulders back. Keep that neck nice and long. I want you to give me just a little squeeze of the abs here, kind of like you're doing a little ab crunch. Good. Keeping those elbows in tight, okay? We're not out wide here. We don't run like this. We're here. Nice and light. Good. All right, now take it back to a march. We're gonna push those arms out, bring them back in, push them up to the ceiling, bring them back in. So we're just expanding that room, right? Pushing the ceiling up, raise the roof, and then pushing the walls out. Raise the roof, push the walls out. Good. Just get those arms warmed up too. Yeah, all right. Take it to a stop with the feet, and we're doing these arms circles now. It's really important that we warm up these arms, warm up the shoulders, the elbows, the wrists. Good. Now, windmill for me, one side, take it back and forward. Let's do the other side. Take it back, follow that hand with your eyes, and forward. Good. And some Michael Phelps. These are my favorite. So as you come and hug yourself, make sure you alternate the top arm, right? Good. Perfect, perfect. Okay, quick knee hugs here. Hug the knee, take it down. Hug the knee, take it down. Good, all right. Now, the bulk of our workout is going to be done with the dumbbell. So grab you a pair of 5 to 10s. If you're feeling good, you can go all the way up to 15s. Your choice, okay? If you have a variety of weights, have them out so you can go according to how you feel. Challenge yourself, okay? That's the point. Challenge yourself. That's how the body changes, right? If you don't challenge you, it doesn't change you. We're going to start with some deadlifts, okay? Feet are shoulder width apart, micro bend in the knees, and then all you're doing is bending at that hip crease all the way down and then taking it straight up with a nice flat back. Down, down, down. Take it up with a nice flat back. Good, same thing. Squeeze those shoulder blades. The arms stay perpendicular to the floor, and then you're taking them all the way down and up. Good, and this is for time. We got about 15 more seconds left here, and then our next move is going to be a chest press, okay? So stay here, 10 more seconds. Good, nice neutral neck. So with the deadlift, the trick is to find a focal point on the floor and just follow it down with your gaze. Good, we got one more rep here. We are moving on. This is quick, fast pace, good for that busy person like me. So these are great workouts to incorporate into your day. Good, take it down. Feet are flat like this, knees are bent. This is gonna protect the back. Now, crunch the abs so you're making those abs nice and tight. Now, elbows are not super wide. They're not exactly at shoulder height, and they're not super close to the rib cage. Somewhere in between at about a 45-degree angle. We're pressing up. Just kiss the dumbbells, back down, slowly controlled elbows touch the floor, and repeating that. Let's get these pectoralis majors. Good, these are the chest muscles here. Open up and press, good. Again, neck is long, chin is slightly tucked. Good, abs are tight. Remember, challenge yourself here. If you can go heavier, go heavier. Go off, queen, let's go. Up, squeeze, abs tight. Now, if you are going light and you want to challenge yourself, you can bring the legs up just like this. And if you want to challenge yourself even more, bring them straight. Everything opens, everything closes, okay? You can do all that and more. Just make sure you have the basics down first. We're hitting chest, that's what you want to focus on. So grab heavy if you have heavy, right? All right, next one, we're going to stay on the floor. You're done with the chest press. We're going to do what's called a lat pullover, okay? This is incorporating the lats, the huge muscle of the back. You can grab one dumbbell or you can grab 2, okay? If you're grabbing one, you're gonna hold the dumbbell by the heads, just like this, okay? One hand on each head of the dumbbell. You're reaching over, okay? Do not let the chest flare. Push that rib cage in and bring it right back to center, okay? This is a lat pull over. Now, if you're using 2, press the dumbbells together, touch slightly, and come forward. Do not let the rib cage flare. Hold it down with those incredible abs. Yes. Bring it forward. Good job. And again, this is for time. 10 more seconds here. Abs tight. You will feel the abs working as well here. So depending on how heavy you are going, you can get a little funky with this. So if you want to challenge yourself more and it feels light, again, you could bring the legs up. You're gonna push out and then bring everything in, right? Push out, lightly touch the floor, bring everything in. But that's only if your low back does not leave the floor, okay? You don't wanna compromise yourself by using bad form, okay? Focus on what we need to focus on and then keep it moving. Good, okay, so we're already done with that. We gotta pop it back up. So get up safely, or you can use that cool breakdance move that I just used. Roll those shoulders down and back, okay? Showing you from the side view. Now, look at my elbows. I'm gonna kind of scoot them forward in front of my midline. So midline of the body, right here, right? I'm kind of forward in front of that. I'm gonna come all the way up and all the way down in a bicep curl, okay? Now you choose here. You could do hammer curl, which is thumb side up, boom, boom, or regular neutral curl. It's up to you. Good, but this is for time, all right? We got about 15 more seconds here, bicep curls. And use the weight that works for you, okay? You want to challenge the body. It requires a challenge, it needs it. That's how we get better. That's how the muscles tell yourself like, hey, I need to build more, I need to get stronger in order to lift the weight. The only way you can do that and get stronger is if you have heavy weight, right? Good, pull it up. We got one more rep, let's go. And up. Good, now down, control it on the way down too as well. That's part of the workout, right? Okay, now we're gonna get rid of the dumbbells for now. Okay, keep them close though. We're gonna hit the ground again and we're gonna do some leg raises for the abs, okay? So you're laying down, feet are gonna stay together. You're gonna bring them up to a 90. You can have your hands underneath your glutes like this for assistance. If you don't need them, make sure you're holding that low back down onto the floor. If you feel it pop up, put those hands back underneath or don't go as low. Another option is bend the knees, just like that, right? Leg raises, so you can do them with a bent knee or a straight knee. It just depends on where you're at. But again, find the move that challenges you. That's the whole point of this, right? These winter workouts have to be challenging if you want to build the summer body. Yes, we know this, you know this, I know this. We got 10 more seconds here, and then we're gonna move it on to what's called a Russian twist to get the obliques. Right now we're working on the mid part of the stomach. The erectors, right in the middle of the stomach here. Or the rectus abdominis, sorry. The erectors are on your back. What am I thinking? I'm not, I'm working out. That's what I'm doing. Good, all right, feet flat. Nice, let's take it up. You're gonna grab one dumbbell and we're gonna do the Russian twist. So you're gonna hold that dumbbell right in front of the chest, just like this. You're gonna have your feet in front of you. Now, the longer your levers are, the longer your legs are, the easier this is going to feel. The shorter, the closer they are into the body, the harder. And if you have them in the air, that's even harder. So choose where you wanna be. You can even do one leg long, one leg short. You know, whatever tickles your pickle. Now, you're here in front of the chest. You're gonna twist as far as you can. Bring it back to center, just the other way, bring it back to center, okay? Now, sit straight up. Now what I want you to do, once you have that dumbbell in front of the chest, lean it back as far as you can until you feel your abs fighting. If you feel them fighting, that's where you should be. The abs are fighting and we're twisting. Twisting as far as you can. Hold that dumbbell right in front of that chest. Keep those legs together. If you have your legs in the air, you can do that too. It's up to you. Twist, twist, twist. 10 more seconds, come on. 5 more seconds. Where are you? Show up, come on. This is where training starts. I know it's hard. 3, 2, and 1. Booyaka, good job. All right, lay it, actually don't lay down yet. Roll the shoulders down and back. Open up, stretch out the chest. Good, take one arm across the body. Pull it down, stretch out the shoulder. And switch. And all we're gonna do is lay it back to stretch out our legs, and then we'll be done. Take that foot up into the air, push the heel into the sky, pull on that toe just a little bit, feel the stretch. If you can't grab your toe, grab the shoelace, grab the sock, grab the sweats, you have options, right? Or you can grab just like this, right behind the knee. Good. One last leg and we're done. Heel to the sky, toe to the face, pull. Remember, you got your sweats, your pants, your socks, your shoelace, pull on something, pull on the toe if you can. Inhale, exhale. Congratulations, you are done with day 2. I hope to see you again for the next part of the series. Again, this is Coach D. Until next time, good job.